welcome to my channel. It's Miss Mills here. Today I'm going to be showing you how I labeled my tubes for cheap, guys, for literally less than £5. So if you are interested to see on how I did this, then keep watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's get into it. So to start off, you need your two stickers here, guys. Well, you don't really need two stickers. It depends if you want large or small letters. So me, I bought two, £1 each, because I wanted for capital letters and small letters. And you need sellotape as well. You need scissors, guys. I'm sure everyone has scissors in the houses, guys. And you need your tubes, obviously the ones which you're gonna be labeling. It can be for lip glosses, but for me, I'm labeling these for my hair growth serum, and even my lip glosses as well, they have the same labels. So now I am just sticking to my little stickers here, guys, and I really love them, guys. Like, these were like the cheapest way I could just do for now, guys, because I thought, like, you know what, I don't really have enough money for me to go and get the actual stickers from the professional. So this was my way, my DIY way to create my labels. So I am sure it will help one or two people out there who cannot afford. You can just go, maybe if you're from the UK, just go from to the range, or you can even check on Amazon or eBay. I'm sure they have them. So now I am just sticking them, guys, and they don't even take time. I would suggest you guys to start clean up your tubes first. You have to clean them up or with soapy water, so that, you know, when you're sticking your stickers, your tubes will be nice and clean. They don't have to be oily. The reason why I put them first, I didn't want to put the serum and then start sticking them, as they will not be able to stick, because once your tube is oily, then you can't really stick them, unless if you wipe them off with alcohol. You need obviously alcohol to wipe your tubes after putting your product. So this is how it looks, guys, and look at this label, guys. It looks proper good, professional. Who would know that this is only like single stickers? So now I am putting my sellotape here, guys. The reason why I am putting a sellotape is because the labels, they don't really stick for a long time. So I decided to put a sellotape on top so that the labels will not come off. So that's all you need to do, guys, and voila, your label, it is done. Like, it is done, you know, just £3. This is basically £3, guys. £3, and you have your label. So now, guys, I am just doing the rest, and I'm not gonna be talking throughout the video, and this is all about it, guys. And thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and make sure you give me more suggestions if you'd like to see more videos on how to do DIYs, guys, and labels for cheap, guys. So thank you very much, guys. I shall see you all in the next video. Bye.